It's Fitz back here with another video. I don't really know what we're gonna be getting into today.
My dumbass didn't put the oil cap on.
But I thought I would bring you guys along, so let's do it. Yo, do you mind?
Why is it always loud when I come outside? Anyways, we're going to see Sam pick up my hubs. They're not done yet. I have to take them to Han in Durham tomorrow because Sam's bearing press broke. So he was not able to do them, but we're gonna go see Sam, see if he wants to get lunch or something, and then we can go from there. Close enough. Funny story, I thought the AC on this car was broken for like a while now, and turns out all I had to do was push the AC button and the shit started working. Before I would just put it on cold and put it on full blast, like what the hell is going on, this is hot, but the more you know. Made it. Oh Jesus. Oh, can I pull around back there? So I got stuck pulling into this driveway. No bueno. I picked up my kids. Now it's time to see if I can actually like get out of here. So fingers crossed. Here we go, boys. Oh good. Oh, that wasn't bad. That was not bad at all. The big metal things in a slam static car, driving anywhere is absolutely terrifying. Like it feels like shit's gonna just fly out of here or break, like all the time.
How can I help you?
Just a second, please.
I'm sorry?
Just a second, please.
Okay.
Thanks. What do we want, boys? What do we want? All right, I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I have a triple lupa box?
Okay, and your drink?
Baja Blast, and then can I have a soft taco with that instead of the crunchy?
Okay.
And then can I upgrade to chips and cheese instead of the Swiss,
Okay.
please? And that's it.
Okay, and would you like any sauce with that today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is everything correct on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 701 is cool now.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, go ahead and pull around.
I can't tell if she looks pissed or not.
Please.
There you go.
Go ahead and put the money in there, please. Thank you.
This quarantine shit's weird.
$13 is your change. Go ahead and grab the change and the receipt, and there's a survey. I tell them about, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys want to hold that for me? Thanks. Since when the hell do we have to grab money out of a tray? Like what?
All right, go ahead and grab the bag off the tray, please.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. You too. What in the fuck? Finally home, and when I tell you I caught every single red light on the way here, I mean it. Until the last one, I was like, fuck it, but we're not gonna talk about it. So, time to go inside and eat. All right, so I am going to go say hi to some friends of mine at work, and then I'm gonna explore because I have to break this clutch, and I still have like 150 miles. One till the clutch is broken in, and two till I have to do an oil change. So we're just gonna go out and explore today because it's a beautiful day. So I know you're not supposed to like trust Miata gauges, but that one's been freaking out. So I'm assuming the oil pressure sensor's going out, or the gauge is going out, the wiring's going out or something. But it drives fine. I check the oil regularly. No problems there. Also, that's my AC compressor. But also, the temperature from the coolant leak that I fixed a couple days ago staying strong. All right, boys. God, this is terribly hard with one hand. But I topped off the oil. I have to go deliver some stuff for Graham, for my friend Graham. And if you guys know what that is, please let me know. It is absolutely beautiful. But Graham's dad is very high risk for COVID, and then Graham is too because he's missing a kidney. Anyways, we're gonna go drop this stuff off, and then go for a cruise. Go find some cool places. Yo, that's hot. That's hot. Yo, let me catch up and cruise with you. Hold on. Sometimes you just gotta deliver to your friends that are very high risk. Let's go for a drive. I wonder why I could be smoking right now. It smells like straight oil. So I have no idea. Off to you guys here. Literally, my dumbass didn't put the oil cap on. So there's oil everywhere. At least I got oil. I'm gonna check it and see how much I need to put back. But it's a first for me, boys. I checked the oil. The oil cap is on this time. So we're all good to continue on our journey, but my God. There's always something. It's always something. Let's get it, boys. We're good to go. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you guys trust this cup holder in my Mountain Dew? Please go rate it out of 10, 10 being the best, 0 being falling in. Like the Mountain Dew's gonna fall in like 2 seconds, so go rate it. Looks like a low Acura or something back there. I don't know if you can see it. See if he pulls up. Pull up. Hey, what's good, bro? Yo. Hey, yo, Cody, slam your cord, bro. Me and the homie still cruising. We took the same exit. Yeah, she's crazy. Look at crazy's beautiful to me. We got a riser in our midst, and he will get the last laugh. It's the last thing he gets. He used to roll around in that red dirt mud, and now he's skipping town, and that dreamer's out for blood. All right, well, I stopped at a rest area to hang out for a little bit, just chill for a minute. Car's not overheating, good on gas, oil's good now, but it's beautiful out here, to be honest. I think we're like 10 minutes away from where I'm headed, and then we're gonna see if we can find like a park or something cool, like a state park or something. So yeah, we're like an hour into this trip. Car's doing great. Let's get back on the road. Most of this place looks like like this, just like rural North Carolina. So we're almost there. Get there soon. So I guess this is Lake Devon, North Carolina, and the shitbox. But hey, we made it. Only like an hour later. I had no idea what this place was gonna look like. I don't know if you're allowed to swim. I assume you are. I'm not going swimming. But that's the dam. It said no cars allowed on that. No worries there. But I guess you can like bring a kayak or a paddle boat or some shit out here. I'm definitely gonna remember this. Yeah, look, like there's a nice little boat dock. Well, boat dock, you know what I mean. I'm gonna hang out here for a little while, and then I guess I'll see you guys when I'm leaving. But I had to send it getting in this little driveway up here, like getting into this parking lot. But shawty low up there, oh my God. I can't zoom anymore, but just trust me. Well, I've been hanging out for a while. I think it is time for me to head back home. I'm gonna film me getting out of this little parking lot, and then that's gonna be it for today's video. So just enjoy this. All right, y'all have a good night.